Hello everyone, this is Shiva here. Welcome back to my other unboxing and review of the new Skullcandy Crushers Active Noise Cancellation wireless headphones. So let's start off with the unboxing of the headphones. So when you open the box, you'll find a hard shell carrying case. Skullcandy has done a very good job in terms of this. It's the first crusher lineup giving this hard shell carrying case. The previous Skullcandy crushers had a soft shell carrying case, so people who travel a lot wouldn't be that great, but people who travel a lot can admire this case. This case is very strong, so thumbs up to Skullcandy in terms of that. So inside the carrying case, you get a 3.5 mm headphone jack and you get a micro USB Type-C charging port. Whereas the previous Skullcandy used to give you a USB, this uses a micro USB. So it's good in that terms also. So when it comes to the price of this headphones retail for rupees 17,000. Now let's talk about the build quality of the headphones. These headphones are built in full plastic, but the plastic doesn't feel very cheap. It is quite a decent built headphone, but if compared with the high-end headphones like the Sony 1000 XM3, the Sennheiser Momentum, this pales in comparison in terms of build quality. And these are the head adjustments of the headphones. People can adjust this according to their comfort. Now in terms of control schemes, this is a volume up button, this is a volume down button, and this is a play pause button. Now let's talk about the active noise cancellation of this headphones. This headphones is average in terms of active noise cancellation. It blocks out a decent amount of low frequency noise, but when it comes to the higher frequency sounds, it doesn't do that great. There are far better headphones in terms of active noise cancellation compared to this. This is a kind of a mid-range active noise cancellation than a premium comparison. Next, let's talk about the comfort of this headphones. These headphones are pretty comfortable. People can wear these headphones for many hours and they won't feel any listening fatigue. So it's quite comfortable headphone. Now let's talk about the Bluetooth connectivity. This headphone has a Bluetooth 5 and it has a good range. There are no dropouts. So in terms of Bluetooth also, it's good. It uses the latest Bluetooth 5. Now let's talk about the main thing, which is the sound quality. The sound quality of this headphones is really good when it comes to the bass. People who are bass heads will love this headphones, and people who listen to rock, hip hop, this headphone is absolutely amazing. But when it comes to the classical music and the music which has a lot of drums, guitars, it doesn't do that great. This headphone is meant for only bass heads, but if you are looking for the best clarity and soundstage, this headphone isn't for you. And there is a slider here in the left ear cup. This is for adjusting the bass. If you crank this slider all the way up, it'll give you a subwoofer effect that none of the other pair of headphones will give you that sort of experience. This is a really good experience. You can try this out. Now let's talk about the battery life of this headphones. This headphones has a very good battery life of 24 hours. People can travel for a long distance with this headphones, so you don't need to recharge it again and again. If you just recharge it once, you'll get a 24-hour battery life and it's very good. Finally, let's talk about the microphone quality of this headphones. This headphone has a good microphone quality. People who do conference call, people who attend business calls, they can talk to the other party clearly and he will be able to hear your voice perfectly, like how people talk in a normal phone. You'll get a very good microphone quality out of this headphone. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. This was my unboxing and review of the new Skullcandy Crusher Active Noise Cancellation Wireless Headphones. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye.